The most important tool for developing Vue.js is Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime which in the end allows us to run JavaScript outside of the browser as well. You could use Node.js to write server-side code with the JavaScript. No worries, no need to learn Node.js for developing Vue.js web apps. Only we need to have Node.js installed in our system. Now, I'll show you how we can install Node.js in our systems. It's very easy. Just go to your favorite browser and search for Node.js. You can see a link for downloading Node.js. This is the one. There are two tabs, LTS and current. We shall go for current version. And we have three other options. Windows installer, Mac and source code. We don't want the source code and Mac installer, just want the Windows installer because my system is Windows. If your system is 32-bit, you can download the 32-bit, otherwise 64. To check it, we shall go to this PC and you can see if it is 64-bit operating system or not. So search for your system type, the first one, not the second one, and go to, so since my system is 64-bit, I will download 64-bit. Just click on 64-bit, that's all. So downloading started, so it will finish within 1 minute. Just open the file after downloading. Click on next, accept, next, next. Make sure that the npm package manager is selected because we need npm package manager. Just click on next, next. We don't want to check for the chocolatey, so just click on next. And now just install it. So installation is very quick, not more than 15 seconds. Okay, we have finished installing Node.js. Now we will check our Node.js is installed correctly or not. Just type cmd in your run box and enter command node-v, v for version. So you will get the version there. So if you get the version, you have installed Node.js correctly. Okay, it was very easy for us to install Node.js in our system. Tomorrow or the next video, I will show you how we can install another tool, that is the Vue CLI, in our system. After installing Vue CLI, we will learn Vue.js from the very beginning. So we have finished Visual Studio, Node.js, and tomorrow we will complete Vue CLI.